Hello viewers, welcome to SS tutorial. Sometime you may listen the term donkey flight, but do you know what is the actual meaning of donkey flight? Today in this video, I will explain about the term donkey flight, so let's begin. In geography, when a person moves or migrates foreign country for staying and living purpose legally, then it is known as immigration. But if any person moves foreign country for staying and living purpose illegally without original documents, then this movement is known as donkey flight. It means legal method of entering a foreign country is known as immigration and illegal method of entering a foreign country is known as donkey flight. The term donkey flight is a Punjabi origin, which means hopping from one place to another. According to journalist Nicholas Smith, donkey flights are mostly seen in the Punjabi people who moves illegally from India to UK, US and Canada. These types of movement widely seen from the relatively underdeveloped countries to the developed countries. Here we must remember that in this movement persons made multiple stops for reaching their destination countries. It is seen that mostly unskilled labor are mainly engaged with donkey flight. There are multiple reasons for the donkey flight. We can divide them into two categories. They are push factors and pull factors of immigration. Push factors are those which encourage people to leave their country. Unemployment, low income, poverty, low qualities of life drives people to leave their country. And pull factors are those which attracts people to go foreign countries. Work availability, higher earning, better lifestyle, greater prestige in the local community, success stories of others attracts people to go foreign country. Illegal immigration is going on throughout the world. Let's know how the process of donkey flight is going on. Donkey flight mainly occurs by cargo ship. Interested people initially went to another country by hiding in a ship, paying large amount of money to their agent. Sometimes they caught by the police and sometimes not. After reaching other countries, their agents contact with them and give them fake documents like fake driving license and takes huge amount of money as fees. And finally, they were taken away to their destination countries. Sometimes by using student visa, illegal immigration may also occur. Many of them are caught immediately by the foreign police and some of them are caught even after many years. And after the jail, they were sent back to their home countries. To control this illegal immigration or donkey flight, government of destination countries has been taken numbers of steps. But it has not yet been possible to stop donkey flight completely. That's all for today. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please press the like button and share with your friends. And if you are new in my channel, then please subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.